Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to wipe your server in 3 ways. The first will be to wipe the server completely, meaning player data and map. The second option will be to wipe only the map, and the third option will be to only wipe the player data. But before we proceed with doing this, it is very important that our server is offline when we do this. That will ensure that we're not going to lose any type of progress. So when you log into your Pine hosting game panel, the first thing you'll need to do is go into the console tab here and click on the stop button. Now that our server is offline, what we can do next is also create a backup. To do that, we can head over to the backups tab here and then click on create backup. Of course, you're gonna need to fill in a backup name and any other details you want in here, and then finally click on start backup. It is always recommended to create a backup of your server just to make sure that any files that are needed are not accidentally deleted, so you can restore at any time in the future. Now that our backup is created, the next thing we'll need to do is head over to the files tab. From here, you'll need to head over to Pal, then saved, save games, 0. This is your server ID, you're gonna click on that. So once you've reached this point, this is where you get to select what you can delete and what to keep. If you, for example, want to delete only your map, and that obviously includes bases and any structures or dropped items and objects, you will need to select these 3 files: level meta.sav, level.sav, and backups. These 3 files include everything about your world, but they do not include the player data. So if you want to keep player data but delete everything else, just go ahead and select these and click on delete. Obviously, if you want to delete the player data instead and keep your actual file and map intact, you're gonna deselect these and you're gonna select the players instead. Deleting this file will ensure that all the player data on the server is completely wiped. If you want to delete the entire save, map and player data included, you can simply select all the files in this directory and delete them. So we're gonna do that, and this is gonna wipe our entire server completely clean. Now that we have deleted everything, we're gonna head back over to the console tab here and start our server. This will automatically create a new save for your server. And now our server is up and running with a completely new world. To confirm that, if we quickly go into the console here and type save and then send it, and then we'll need to head into the files tab one more time, then pal, saved, save games, 0, and finally we're gonna be here. You can see these are all new files 1 minute ago. This means that our save is completely new and our server has actually wiped. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.